Hey everyone, I'm going to show you with a user guide demo of our website. First, when you log into the web page, the title will give you the general brief introduction of our project. And always we have the last updated local time on the web page and the page auto updates per hour. For the crop leaf map, it represents the overall distribution pattern of the cumulative confirmed death, recovered, and active cases at the US state level. The darker an area is, the more cases it has. And by dragging or clicking on the day slider, users can see the distribution patterns in different time frames. And by clicking on different buttons, you can see that I click on death and then recover and active. The crop leaf map will change because the data points changed. And you could see the corresponding information. And when you drag on that, you could see the colors and data behind it changed. And also by checking the scale legends, users can know the approximate number of COVID-19 cases and will compare the variance among states. And by hovering over a certain map area, users can see detailed information including date, death, recovered, and active cases number in that state. And then we come to the COVID-19 line charts within the latest 30 days. Here, it is a searchable drop-down list. You can click on a specific one, or you could you will want to search something yourself, like I searched Maryland. And the results is shown using a line chart format. And then you can see the confirmed death and recovered cases within the latest 30 days in the Maryland state. And when hover over the data points, you can see the data information of the data points. And next, let's come to the top 15 states ranking of the cumulative confirmed or death cases. And it is actually an animated line bar chart. And when you click on the play button, you can see the bar chart animated itself. And it automatically grows within the date by date. And this date is changed. And you can see the New York, New Jersey, Michigan, and 15 top 50 states in the confirmed cases in a specific date. And also, you could also drag or click on the date slider to see the detailed information about the state. And also, if you want to pause the animation, you could click on the pause button, and then all things will be paused. You could also hover over the data points on the graph to see the detailed information of the specific date.